Are you ready? Let it bounce.
Hey guys, happy Friday. And you guys know your girl is coming in to check in with you guys for hashtag make 5 and hashtag make 9. Now, after 2 weeks, I decided that it may be best for me to just do one video instead of two and just be done with it. All right. So from moving forward, I'm just going to do one video with make 5 and make 9 in it. All right. So since make 9 is only 5.5 weeks, we're going to start there first. So let's start with make 9. What's your task this week? So this week is all about muslins, okay? I know we do not want to do tules or toiles, whatever you want to call them. We do not want to do mock-ups. We do not want to do muslin, but in 2025, baby, get used to doing a muslin, aka test your fit, okay? TYF, test your fit, all right? And so basically, I need you to make a muslin. Now, you do not have to do this. This is definitely just something that I'm going to tell you you may want to do if you are doing something that's new. If you are doing a coat, a jacket, a button-down shirt, a skirt that's basically you haven't done before, test it. Why? Because you don't want to cut into your fabric and then you turn around and it's either too big or too small. It don't look right. You get what I'm saying? But anyway, make sure that you do a muslin, okay? It'll save you lots of fabric in the long run. Now, what I'm going to do with my muslin is I have already cleaned a lot of my fabric out of my garage. I am going to pull all the scraps out, scrap busting, right? Pull all the scraps out and just use pieces from scraps to do my muslin for what I'm creating, all right? So that's what I'm going to do for me. After you do your muslin and it tests and you fit and everything is fine and you make adjustments back to your pattern after you do your muslin, that's what you should be doing, okay? The next thing you're going to do is cut your fabric, okay? So after you cut your fabric, that means cut your fabric, cut your interfacing, cut your lining. If you have any lining, cut all of that stuff out and then place it into a project bag. Let me show you what I'm talking about, a project bag. All right, so when I'm saying project bag, place it in one of these. Now, I'm going to leave the link to this in the description box below so you know where I received these. Now, I have like 24 of these. To be honest with you, I bought 2 packs of these, and I think they come in a pack of 12. If not a pack of 12, a pack of 6, but I purchased them in like 2 of these. So either I have 12 or 24. I think it may be just 12, but I'll post a link so you're able to see that as well. So that is for hashtag make 9 2025. Let's talk about make 5 2025. So this week is all about making adjustment. What that means is definitely go to your pattern. Now, I want you to look at the body measurement versus the design ease, okay? So you have design ease and then you have pattern ease, okay? See what the difference is between there. Make your adjustments because sometimes how you pick up patterns is not what you're going to be cutting out, okay? So make sure you look at that as well. So when we make our adjustments, make your adjustments is to the pattern, okay? So that means you may have to size up. You may have to do a full bust adjustment. You may have to merge, your waist into your hips. You know what I'm saying? Make that curve, add a little bit of inches here, grade it out there. There's a lot of things that you can do when it comes to adjustments as well. You may have to do a sway back. You may have to do something for broad shoulder. There's so many things that you will have to do when you're making adjustments to the pattern. Do not forget that the pattern is just a guideline for you to hack, make adjustments, whatever you see fit. All right. So this week, once again, just to wrap it up, for make 9, you are to do a muslin, aka toile, aka toile, aka mock-up, aka test garment. Okay. Well, that's what a muslin is. You're supposed to do that. You're also supposed to cut your fabric, cut your interfacing, cut your lining, cut your underlining, cut all of the things out as well, and then place them in your bag. Then that way you're ready to go when it's time to sew next week for Make 9. So Make 9 2025 is all about sewing. Now, if you have already completed your first project for Make 9 2025, and I didn't already checked off and said, yeah, you don't have to wait for me to check it off, but once you have completed it, you can go on to the next one. You don't have to wait, okay? But that's for Make 9 2025. For Make 5 2025, you know what you're going to be doing. You're going to be making those adjustments. That's it. No cutting fabric, none of that. You'll cut fabric next week. We're just going to make those adjustments, okay? Well, that's it for hashtag Make 5 2025 and hashtag Make 9 2025. Let me see your progress. Show me everything that you're working on, and I will talk to you next week. Peace.
Are you ready? Let it bounce.